Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can get us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a final checkout video. This is Guy's telephone. It's a TA954 military tactical telephone. And this telephone was a little more elaborate than the ones in the past. We had to paint it. There were some issues with where the handset hung up. There's a bar, a rod that runs through here that kind of locks the handset in. When it was painted, it kind of changed the depth, and that had to be worked on so that the handset would hang up properly. Also, I said in the past on some of these telephones, I was always looking for newer things that we could do, better ideals, better design, and I came up with a few on this telephone. And so what we want to do now is we want to go ahead and ring it. We have the mechanical ringer in it. I'll let that go a couple times. I'm going to turn off the ringer. You'll notice that the warning light still, the indicator light still lights, but the ringer does not ring. Turn it back on. Let that go one more time. There's dial tone. I'm going to go ahead and dial some numbers. We want to hang the phone up now. Well, I'll tell you what, we don't even have to do that, because what I did was I put a flash on this one. And not only did I put a flash on it, let's dial it 2. Let's see if you can hear this. Music on hold. That ought to drive the enemy batty. That'll drive them nuts. It's got music on hold now, and all you have to do is press it one more time, and music on hold is off. I also want to speak into the handset. If you look at the indicator light on the analyzer, you'll notice a red light. Every time I talk, it turns red. That's 100% modulation. Hello, hello, hello. Also, what we did here is let's do the flash. I'm going to go ahead and dial to 6. I'm going to go ahead and hit flash, and I'm going to hit redial. It'll end up in a 6. And then I'm going to hit a 2. Okay, so basically what we have is music on hold, flash, and redial. So that all worked out real well. There was one other option that I did put on this telephone. I'm going to try to give you some dial tone here. If you notice over here, there's a receiver volume control. I'm going to turn it down now. Should be able to hear it, maybe real low. I'm going to bring it up. Up, down, up, down. One more time, and down. And then I'm going to go all the way up. So now we have, since we have all these knobs and switches, might as well use them. This is for the ringer, turns it off and on. This is for the volume handset. See, it's a receive, high and low. So that's down, that's all the way up. So this telephone has a few different options than some of the ones in the past. But I'm always working on these to try to make them better. And I want to show you here, give you a little look at the side here, how that turned out, where my modular plug goes in, and the line cord, and the lettering. The lettering that is the glow-in-the-dark illuminated paint. So that all worked out real well. And now let's do this. Let's go ahead and plug it into a line. And I'm going to go ahead and dial a time and temp number. Got dial tone here.
Good afternoon. Ford, drive one and you'll know at Offenburg Ford at Belleville and O'Fallon. Today is Sunday, April 4th. The time is 3:57. Current temperature 87 degrees.
There you go. So everything is functional on this telephone now, and we're going to go ahead and get it off to the customer. Guys should be pretty happy with this. I don't get too much into the painting part of it. I'm not a painter. I'm a technician. So I hope the paint will be okay. But we have all these other functions that this telephone ended up with, and I think he'll be pretty happy about that. So we have music on hold here, we have flash here, and then we have redial here, and we have a receiver volume here. So it turned out real well, and I think it'll be a pretty decent telephone, and he'll have a lot of fun with this. So this is Dennis with A1 Telephone, A1 Electronics. You can get us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. I want to do one last thing. I'm going to ring it a couple of times. Let that go a couple times. Now give it one more. Dial tone. So I hope you enjoyed watching the video, and thank you. Have a great day.